we'll guide you through how to use the government subsidy mod in Farming Simulator 25. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. If you don't know what it already is, essentially it's a mod which you can go and place and you go and get money from it. First of all, you need to go and download and install it, open up the shop, in this case I can press P, come over to the left in the shop and you need to click on the 3 lines at the bottom. Then you can go and click on construction. Now come over to the left and choose the second option, which is factories, and you can then switch across at the top here. You need to go to generators, scroll down and you'll find government subsidy. Now, once you've got it selected, you can press F on your keyboard to go and customize it. And you can go and choose how much income you want to go and get per month. The highest is 4 million. Then what you can do is go and press escape. Now what we can do is start placing them. And every hour you should go and get some money. As you can see, I just got a load of money there. So it's that simple. And of course you could place more,